With a beak of steel, the greater helmeted hornbill's mighty presence commands the jungle canopy. Majestic and imposing, this striking bird sports a massive casque atop its head, resembling a warrior's helmet, and a razor-sharp bill capable of cracking tough fruit and bark. Its vibrant plumage, with a mix of deep red, white, and black, contrasts beautifully against the lush green rainforest. A skilled and solitary flyer, the helmeted hornbill's resonant calls echo through the forest, marking its territory. Revered for its strength and elegance, this formidable bird embodies the wild spirit of Southeast Asia's untamed heart. The helmeted hornbill, Rhinoplax vigil, is an extraordinary bird known for its striking appearance and unique behavior. The name, helmeted hornbill, derives from the prominent casque that sits atop its head, resembling a helmet. This casque is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in the bird's communication and mating rituals. The helmeted hornbill belongs to the family Bucerotidae, which includes other hornbills, such as the great hornbill, Buceros bicornis, and the Indian grey hornbill, Ocyceros barostris. This family is characterized by their long bills and casqued heads, which are often brightly colored. The helmeted hornbill stands out for its impressive size, measuring about 26 to 30 inches, 66 to 76 centimeters, in length, with a wingspan that can reach up to 50 inches, 127 centimeters. The bird's plumage is primarily black with striking white wing feathers and a vivid yellow and red casque that distinguishes it from other hornbills. The casque is made of a unique material called keratin, which is similar to human nails. At hatching, helmeted hornbill chicks weigh approximately 1 ounce, about 30 grams, and are covered in down feathers. They are born helpless and rely entirely on their parents for nourishment and protection. By maturity, adults can weigh between 3 to 4.5 pounds, 1.4 to 2 kilograms. Males and females are similar in appearance, but males tend to have a slightly larger casque and more vivid colors in their plumage. The casque size and coloration may vary depending on individual genetics and environmental factors. Helmeted hornbills are predominantly found in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, particularly in countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. They thrive in lowland forests and hilly terrains, where they nest in tree cavities. Unfortunately, their habitat is increasingly threatened by deforestation, logging, and agricultural expansion. The global population of helmeted hornbills is currently declining, with estimates suggesting that fewer than 1,000 mature individuals remain in the wild. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has classified the species as critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching for their casques, which are highly prized in traditional medicine and for ornamental purposes. The diet of the helmeted hornbill consists primarily of fruit, particularly figs, which form a significant part of their nutrition. They also consume seeds, insects, and small vertebrates when fruit is scarce. Their strong, curved bills are perfectly adapted for reaching and extracting food from trees. Predators of helmeted hornbills include larger birds of prey and snakes, but their size and behavior make them less susceptible to many threats. One of the most distinctive features of helmeted hornbills is the unique nesting behavior. During the breeding season, females will enter a tree cavity and seal themselves inside using mud, droppings, and plant material, leaving only a small opening for the male to feed her and the chicks. This remarkable adaptation provides protection from predators but also makes nesting a precarious process. Male helmeted hornbills are known for their elaborate courtship displays, which include vocalizations and displays of their casque. The sound of their calls can travel over long distances in the dense rainforest, making it an effective means of communication. Their social behavior often includes the formation of small family groups or pairs, which helps in raising the young. The helmeted hornbill is often featured in local folklore and mythology. In some cultures, it is viewed as a symbol of strength and bravery. Its impressive casque is sometimes associated with spiritual significance and is used in traditional ceremonies. These birds are not considered oriental birds in the strictest sense. Instead, they are part of the tropical avifauna of Southeast Asia, which shares some overlap with oriental regions but is distinct in its own right. The casque of the helmeted hornbill can grow up to 7 inches, 18 centimeters, long and serves various purposes, including sound amplification and display during mating rituals. Helmeted hornbills have a unique social structure and engage in cooperative breeding, where older siblings may help care for younger chicks. Conservation efforts for the helmeted hornbill are critical, given the dwindling populations. Organizations and governments are working to protect their habitats through conservation initiatives and sustainable forestry practices. The helmeted hornbill serves as an important indicator species for the health of tropical rainforests, reflecting the overall state of biodiversity in these ecosystems. The decline of the helmeted hornbill not only threatens its survival but also impacts the ecological balance of its habitat. Protecting these magnificent birds is essential for maintaining the health of Southeast Asia's rainforests and the myriad species that call them home. As a symbol of the rich biodiversity of tropical forests, the helmeted hornbill serves as a reminder of the need for conservation efforts to preserve the natural world for future generations.